Hey all, welcome to another episode of Extension Gardener on the Crystal Coast. Today I want to do some pruning, specifically on this Camellia. It's the middle of June, so I'm probably just a little bit late. This pruning should have been done before the end of May. But what I want to do is I want to limb up this Camellia. As you can see, it's shading out some of these perennials underneath, so I want to give those perennials a little bit of a breathing room. So I'm going to prune it up to about 2.5, maybe 3 feet. Removing no more than about 1/3 of the greenery, but giving this a little bit better look. And then I might do a little bit of shaping up here on the top, just to get it a little bit prettier. I'm pretty sure the shrub will forgive me if I do a little bit of late cutting. It'll probably still bloom this next spring. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna see if I can remove this whole branch and what that will look like. And then I'll just go ahead and take the loppers, since that stem is a little bit bigger than I want to do with my hand pruners. And I'm going to come back here and remove it just outside of the branch collar. And so it won't take me very many cuts like that to get this cleaned out all the way back. I don't like the way this sticks out and makes it unnatural looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and maybe just one cut. One cut right there. That shapes that back up. We got it really pretty. As you can see, the perennials that are underneath there can now see the light of day again. I'll still get lots of flowers up here on the top. So if you were wondering how to prune camellias, this is a good example of how to do that. All right, until next time, happy gardening.